Hello everyone, welcome back to Job Simplify channel where we provide regular off-campus updates. So in this video, I will be discussing about the off-campus hiring from Micron, Cornerstone, PhonePe and Odoo. So all the hirings are of freshers, so all can apply for this job. So let's see more details about the hirings. First hiring is from Odoo, where Odoo is hiring for the software developer intern where you will be paid stipend 20,000 per month. So directly highlighting the main points who can apply for this intern, then the candidates having BE BTech degree from any branches or department can apply for this internship where you should be having knowledge in any programming languages with OOPS concept. Second hiring is from Cornerstone where they are hiring for the junior quality engineer for Pune location. So the freshers having BE BTech or MCA degree from any branches can apply for this job, where this job mainly focuses on testing. So you will be involved in the testing role. Third hiring is from Percept Infosystem Consultant, where they are hiring for the full stack developer for their intern role, where the candidates having BCA, PSC, MCA or BE BTech degree from any department can apply for this internship. They are hiring for the Pune location. So if you are interested to apply for this internship, then you must share your updated resume according to their skill set in the mentioned mail ID. And a small note to all the freshers or the candidate who are applying for any internship or FT profile. So you must share your resume according to the skill set which they have mentioned in their recruiter page. As talking about this full stack developer internship, then they are demanding that you should be having knowledge in HTML, CSS, JavaScript with a knowledge in databases. So you must update your resume according to their skill set, as it will increase the chances of your selection and getting the resume selected. So the fourth hiring is from Micron, where they are hiring for the test solution engineer for Hyderabad location. So the candidates having bachelor's or master's degree can apply for this job with a knowledge in C or C++ programming language. Fifth hiring and the last hiring for this video is from PhonePe, where PhonePe is hiring for the role of software engineer for Bangalore location, where you should be having minimum 1+ year of experience in Android app development. So if you are fit for this job, then you must apply for this role and also share with all your friends those who are in search of new off-campus job updates. And I regularly post off-campus job updates in my channel. So consider subscribing our channel to receive more off-campus job updates. Thank you.